In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Constant Contact subscription with Google Pay. If you want to add or renew a Constant Contact subscription using Google Pay, the process is straightforward. You just need to sign in, choose the plan you want, select Google Pay during checkout if it is available, and then wait for the subscription to activate. First, click your name or your profile icon in the top right corner. This is usually visible on the Constant Contact website after you have signed in. The purpose of this step is to open your account menu, where you can find billing and plan options. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking the correct icon that belongs to your account. After you click it, you should see a drop-down or menu appear. Next, click Plans and Pricing. This is the section that shows what subscription options are currently available. Choosing the right place matters because it takes you directly to the plan selection area, rather than leaving you to search through settings. When the Plans and Pricing page loads, look for the list of available plans and the details that describe what each plan includes. Now select the subscription plan you want. At this stage, you will typically see different tiers, such as different features or different billing options. Choose the plan that matches your needs and your budget. If there is information about what is included in each plan, review it briefly before continuing. Once you decide, click the option to select that plan. This action is what sets the plan for your upcoming payment. And in beginning, after selecting your plan, you will move toward payment. This is where the payment method choice becomes important, because you want to choose Google Pay. Look for the Payment Methods section during checkout. Select Google Pay as your payment method if it is available. Depending on your region and device, Google Pay may appear as a selectable option. If you see it, choose it before you proceed to complete the purchase. If you do not see Google Pay, that typically means the option is not offered at that moment for your account or location. For this tutorial, we are focusing on the case where Google Pay is available to you on the checkout screen. Then complete the payment with Google Pay. This step may prompt you to confirm the transaction through the Google Pay flow. You might be asked to verify your payment method or review the purchase details one more time. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and confirm when you are ready. Completing the payment is the action that actually places the order for your subscription. Once you confirm the payment, you will need to wait for your subscription to be activated. This is a normal step, because the system may take a short moment to process the billing and update your account status. During this time, keep the checkout page open until it indicates success or until the process finishes. After activation, your account should reflect the new subscription plan, and features tied to the plan should become available. To finish up, you have completed the key actions: opening your account menu, navigating to Plans and Pricing, choosing the correct plan, selecting Google Pay, and completing payment. Then you allowed time for activation, so your subscription updates properly. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.